Time for the last three stock lunch of the week. We're going to look at some companies making headlines as we close out this first week of the second half of the year. First up is Meta Platforms. Been in the news just a bit this week. It's already got 70 million signups for Threads, a new Twitter competitor. It launched on Wednesday. Here with the trade on that one and several more, Gina Sanchez, Chief Market Strategist for Lido Advisors and a CNBC contributor. What do you think of Meta, Gina?
Well, look, I think Meta is smelling blood in the water. We have seen a lot of wreckage and damage at Twitter. We've seen a decimation of the workforce and a huge fall in ad sales. So if I were Meta and my ad machine has actually been doing okay, they experienced weakness, but they actually defended pretty well and they're back up into positive growth, I would have stepped in too. I think this is a great move by the company, and you can see that they're already showing and flexing their muscle that they can get the sign up. So now the question is, can they get the additional ad revenue? If so, this could be an enormous hit, and I would bet that they could.
Well, they may need to make some improvements because I've tried it and I've got some advice for them if they care to call me and ask me. In the meantime, let's talk about Biogen, Gina, trading lower despite gaining approval from the FDA for its Alzheimer's drug, Leqembi. So what do you think of Biogen?
This is a tough one. We don't really like it that much. Part of it is that they are fighting a battle on the top line, which is that revenue growth has been going down. You know, they've had a multiple sclerosis drug that's had a lot of competition. The same with their spinal muscular atrophy drug. Those are both, you know, not doing as well as they could be. They had a previous Alzheimer release that got very limited coverage from Medicare. Leqembi's gotten better coverage from Medicare, but it came out with a black box warning. So it wasn't quite the home run they were hoping for. So I think a lot of hope is being kind of put on the fact that this drug can get over those warnings, along with the depression drug that they're in the last stages of FDA approval for. And so that's a lot of hope right now to sort of stem the growth problem that they have in their revenue. So I think you have to wait and see on this one.
All right, well, Biogen shares are off by 2.33%. Levi Strauss down 6% after cutting its forecast for the year because of inventory issues. Would you get into those jeans?
Well, well, you know, after COVID, I would have to get into a different size of those jeans. But, you know, I think that what you've seen with Levi Strauss has actually reflected a lot of what has happened with spending. You know, into COVID, they got hit. Then they had supply chain issues. Coming out of COVID, they had a lot of demand. You saw the stock go back up, and now it's coming back down as that demand's starting to fade, and we're starting to go into a growth slowdown at the very least. And so, you know, it's really hard to get behind a lot of consumer discretionary names because, you know, inflation, although it's come down a lot, it's still, you know, lingering at higher levels than we're used to. People are paying more at the grocery stores. They're paying more to go out for food. And so things like, you know, jeans and tops, you're just sort of wearing them out a bit more. And that's what Levi's realizing and seeing in their numbers.
Let's check up on where you stand on the stock draft, Gina. You and your partner, Diamond DeShields. You're in sixth place. The WWE superstar Charlotte Flair still leading the way on the heels, on the back of NVIDIA. How are you feeling about PayPal? I guess it's PayPal and Alphabet were your two picks.
It's Gina Sanchez. I don't know when I.
Well, the conversation is going to continue.
Looks like we had a little hiccup there.
Yeah.
Can we show the screen? Can we show the screen over there? Yeah, let's do that.
So there's going to be so right now there's a smackdown from Charlotte Flair coming in because she picked NVIDIA. It would be hard to beat anybody with NVIDIA right now because of the sheer amount of growth that stock has seen. Yeah,
we lost Gina. We're sorry, Gina. We apologize, but you're in sixth place. Lots of time left. There you see. I don't know whether those are in order or not, but Flair is leading. What an amazing little outfit she has there, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah, it almost looks like AI.
Let's stick around. Tech Check is next.